All right, we're going to be doing a spark plug change, spark plug service, spark plug replacement, whatever you want to call it. Got these off of Rock Auto, 4-pack. They're over there on the bench. We double checked the gaps. But to get started, we got 8mm little bolts on top of these. We're gonna pop all those off, pop the connectors off, and then we're gonna do them one at a time. Take out a spark plug, put the new one in. But we're gonna take out all the coil packs first. Keep them in a row up there. We're using this because we like power tools. You could use a ratchet if you want to. 8mm, a little bit of grease on the new plugs. Pry tool for the connectors. We're gonna get started. All right, we're gonna start taking off the connectors. What we do is take the little screwdriver there. Don't you have to push this down too?
I was picking it up in here.
Oh,
there we go.
Yeah, okay. Two-man job now. There's big fucking meaty claws in the block and everything. Don't do that, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
What's right in there? Hurt my big knee.
All right, connectors are taken off. We're gonna go ahead and zip out all these bolts. Oh, they all come out, okay. Done. I'm gonna put these up here in a safe location. And then these should just pull out like so. We're gonna put these in order, so that way, just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, beautiful. All right, we're gonna blow out the holes just so no dirt goes in the engine. Go ahead, give her a nice little blow job real quick though. Okay, that's great. And then we also have, it was on Amazon, 14mm, what brand is that? Atlan. First time using it, so it might suck, but we'll let you know. 14mm socket, spark plug socket. So yeah, we'll be good to go. Go ahead, slide that down in there, brother. Very nice, Joe. Very nice. Oh my God, power tools. Oh yeah, that's nice. They look good?
Mm-hmm.
Look okay. Okay.
No anti-seize. I got
Our new spark plug on the socket. We're gonna go ahead, get it lined up in the hole there. Oh yeah. Beautiful. All right, got it hand tight, and then
We'll come back and torque them later.
okay. Then we're gonna go ahead and just do all the other ones. Probably do a little time lapse here, wherever it's nicely set up. There we go. Okay. Ratchet, 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 zoom, zoom, ratchet, 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 zoom, 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 ratchet, ratchet. All right, we got them all, in there basically tight enough. We're gonna go through. We're gonna torque them down to 15 foot-pounds. Got the torque wrench on there.
Sounds like rain. It's just the roof expanding.
It's a little heavy, 15 there.
Sorry.
All right, got that done. And then go ahead, put your coil packs back.
You want to do a little smeary?
On what? On the tips?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Put a little, what is it, dielectric?
Mm-hmm.
Put a little bit of dielectric grease in each one for conductivity and or just for lubrication, so don't like seize in there.
We're also going to put it on the connectors.
Okay. You can go through there on the connectors. Yeah, this is just so it's like lubed up so they're not as stuck when I go to take them off again at 150 or 200,000 miles. Very nice, very nice.
You just want a little bit. Okay.
And go through, put your bolts back in. Okay.
We got her on hand tight mode.
There you go.
Oh yeah.
Is that? Should we go a little bit past hand tight or no?
Want to?
Maybe with like the ratchet. Just like a little, yeah, like a turn like that. All right, there you go. There's your spark plug change. Toyota Camry, 2019 hybrid model, 2.5 liter, you know, hybrid. It's a hybrid. Hybrid. But yeah, hopefully that helps you guys out there doing your spark plug change. It's recommended around 100,000 miles. It's at 92,000. We're a little premature. But thanks for watching. See you on the next one.